Good morning. It's December 19th. It is Friday. I just got up. I have to take Chase to school in a couple minutes. It is pouring rain here. We had our holiday Zoom party last night, so it was past my bedtime. And I'm going to edit the vlog this morning. So you are going to see day 17 and 18. I don't know what we have. Liz did some recording. I was in the office. I really didn't do much. As far as the vlog goes, my guys did not do the jam, but we'll make up for it tonight and we'll do 3. But I think Liz and Grant did jam. But anyway, that's it. So here we go. Happy Vlogmas, guys. Office day, makeup on. Here I go. Not much to film today, but I'll see what I can do. Day 18, right? 18. We're at the banquet. No Vlogmas today.
No Vlogmas.
This is it.
Celebrating law, football, and Chase's big year.
Jam tomorrow. Look who it is. It's the other sister in the wilds. The photographer. Always watching.
Hi everybody, it's Liz. I was supposed to take over the vlog for Wednesday and Thursday, and I think I did a piss poor job. Oops, Sunny's moving the camera. I just didn't have a ton to film. I was really busy Wednesday, and today's Thursday. I had a really busy day, and I'm always a little bit late to the farm on Thursdays because I have to take care of my little dogs first. We had sun today. It was really nice and warm in the sun. The dogs were loving it, but my mom was super busy at the coop between the time that I got, like 25 minutes. I'm like 25 minutes late. She was crazy busy, and it did not stop until 4:30. It was 5 hours of madness. So it was great. It was wonderful. Happy, good madness. Great, happy customers, really nice people. It's nice to see people that come in just once a year and other people who come in all the time. It was really nice. But yeah, so I haven't had a minute. I'm kind of off the hook for dinner. It's dinner time. It's like 5:15. It's usually when I start making dinner. But instead, I just had some leftovers because we went out for dinner on Tuesday, and my son Wade had some leftovers, and he's like, "Can I eat my leftovers?" So I was like, "Heck yeah!" And then Grant was like, "I'll eat a chicken bake." You know, we get the Costco chicken bakes. They're in the freezer. I was like, "Okay." And I had made a dinner from the new Skinny Taste cookbook earlier this week. It was the one pot Philly cheesesteak pasta, and it was really good. I liked it. I didn't go on the website. Her website has all the Weight Watcher points if you do Weight Watchers. She has all the points listed, which was really nice. But it really wasn't bad. It was easy to make. I thought it was really good. I definitely liked it the most out of everybody in my family. So I don't know how soon I'll be making it again. But I really liked it. And I count the most. No, I'm just kidding. I don't. So I had some of that, and Nick's at Costco. What a good man. He's at Costco getting us new cell phones. Well, I dropped my cell phone in the porta potty last week at the coop, and it is dead. So I'm using a really old phone, and I'm like, oh, I remember why I got a new phone, because the battery does not stay charged on this thing. So I'm using this little old phone. It's fine, but I'm not being able to send, like people aren't getting the text that I'm sending, and it's not telling me that they're not sending. And I'm not receiving a lot of texts. So I apologize to any of you who are watching who've texted me this week and I haven't gotten back to you. That's why. It's because I haven't gotten your text. I wasn't even able to make phone calls the other day. My mom was trying to call me. It wasn't going through, so whatever. So he decided to switch plans, and I think we're going to go with even a new company. Like, just switch it, get the better deal, have the cheaper phone, like the free phones and the cheaper lines. And even the guy at the store was like, just do this for 2 years, and when the promotion's up, go to the other one. Get whoever has the new phone and the cheapest deal. He's like, that's what you got to do. And that's kind of what we do with our internet too. We've been doing that for a while, and we have switched phone companies. Yep, my phone just said low battery. Yep. So anywho, that's what I've been up to. I would have liked to have made a few more things this week. I would have liked to have gotten to some felted soaps and stuff like that. I didn't get to that, but you know what? It is what it is. I will make more and have them at the farm to sell, and I would really like to work on having a really good stockpile of stuff this year. We're open until May, so I'll work on stuff after Christmas. It's just, it's okay. It's okay that it's not done. I know that if I had it and it was at the store, it would sell, but it is what it is. I did make a whole bunch of hats though. I think I got like 8 hats made in the last week and a half. And I'm working on another one here. I call this my rectangle hat. I am holding 2 strands together. You don't have to hold 2 strands together, but it makes it like a nice chunky hat. It is half double crochet in that front bottom loop, whatever you want to call it, crocheters. I call it the front bottom loop because it's in the front, it's on the bottom. I know some people call it the back loop because it's made in the back when you're on the other row, whatever. It is what it is. So what I do, it's like a ribbing. It's like a really nice ribbing and it makes a nice ribbed hat. I make a rectangle. It goes, the stripes go up and down on the hat. So if you need a brim, you can have a brim or not. So you need to make a rectangle. And you can knit something like this too. It's really easy. I call this my beginner hat. I have not all my beginners, but a lot of people who take my beginning crochet classes. Maybe not this stitch, because you can use any stitch to make a rectangle. So I'm halfway done with this hat right now. You just make a long rectangle. Once you're done, fold it together, seam it up. I usually just slip stitch it together. And then you have a tube, like a cowl, right? Like this. And then I take that end, I cut like a long end, the one that I finish up that edge with. And I cut a long tail, and I take my tapestry needle and I just go in and out of the tippy top of the stitches, and I cinch it shut, and I usually put a pom-pom on it. Either I'll make a fabric or like a yarn pom-pom, or we have alpaca puffy pom-poms at the store. So I'll use those too. And it just makes the simplest hat. And you can make tiny ones for babies, and you can make giant ones for a slouchy hat. And you can make it as wide as you need to, but they have a nice stretch to them. And like I said, you can make it in any stitch. So it's kind of mindless. I like making them. They sell well, so it's nice. Okay, Sunny needs to go out. I'm going to have a cup of tea, relax a little bit. I have a couple presents I can wrap. We are Zooming at 7. I'm so excited. And that's really it. It's just been busy that time of year, you know? In my little hummingbird cup, I have Twinings spiced apple chai today with a little French vanilla. Yeah, we've got our cousin's Christmas party this weekend I'm really looking forward to. He's a really wonderful piano player. Some of his friends are just incredible singers. He is a music teacher and theater teacher and vocalist, and just, yeah, it's really fun. It's a really fun time. So I'm looking forward to that. We have that this weekend, and Christmas is next week. In my head, I kind of thought it was 2 weeks away, but it's not. It's next week, 7 days. 7 days. So yeah, getting there. I just made a list, which is longer than I thought, of stuff that I still have to get and do and work on. But it's a lot of like teacher gifts, which I'll do stuff from the farm. I'll do like honey, maybe a little alpaca pen, or maybe socks for some of them. We'll see. So that kind of stuff. And then it's just a couple little last minute things. Maybe Nick and I can run out Friday night and do a little shopping. Not much though. So I hope that you are feeling cool, calm, and collected. It is okay if things do not get done by Christmas. No one's gonna be upset. It is what it is. If you have to get together again after Christmas to give them their gift, that's fine. It's just another day to celebrate. So don't, I hope everybody isn't like worrying themselves to death about having everything done and ready, and, you know, give yourself some grace. I don't know. If somebody told me, we have done that before. My sisters and I, we have given each other and our mom gifts that are partially done. And we say, here you go, Merry Christmas. Now give it back so I can finish it. It's fine. It's fine, right, Debbie? Debbie, I don't know if Debbie likes or hates that I always say, it's fine. It is. It's fine. It's not the end of the world. All right. I hope, well, I'll see you guys again soon. But have a great day.
Oh my goodness. We just got a box from our friend Tina Wong in Chicago.
Look at these Lay's.
And she
Italian red meat flavor?
she sent a whole bunch of food. So this is Asian snacks. And I believe there's Likey in here.
What is this?
She said yep, that was in one of your jams.
That looks disgusting.
Shrimp chips.
Those are pretty good.
All things for you and Dad to try.
Matcha cream covered biscuit sticks. What is this?
Likey gummy candy.
Banana cream covered. Can I try one?
Sure.
We have Pocky banana cream covered biscuit sticks here. I think these are gonna be really good.
All right, so we're going off script with the jam.
Okay. That's pretty good. Try one.
What are they?
Banana cream covered biscuit sticks.
Okay.
Wait, it's the aftertaste is better.
This is good.
Yeah.
I like this.
Mm-hmm.
Oh
Should we try
boy.
the matcha flavor?
Sure.
And then there's one more flavor. We'll try the Pockies. I don't know what matcha is.
I don't either. It's like a trendy drink, I think. It's green. It looks like Pond's gum. I think it's I don't know. I don't know what matcha is. Tea something.
Oh, I don't know if I'm gonna like this. It's actually pretty decent. Yeah, it's not bad.
Doesn't really have much of a flavor.
No, these. Chocolate cream covered biscuit sticks, coconut.
I like coconut.
Oh, there's a little opening. Oh, there's two in here. See, like me and my dad did make a pact, but he only said jam.
These look good.
Who sent this?
Tina Wong, crafting in my cave.
Thanks, Tina, for this good stuff. I'm excited for this gummy candy. Late beef, I'm gonna read this to you guys one more time. Italian red meat flavor. 50. I can't read that.
All right, I see a new segment coming to the vlog in the future. All right, thank you, Tina.
Nice.
Okay, it's Vlogmas day, what, 18?
18.
I recorded 2 minutes.
I did not record much more, and I was the one who was supposed to be recording.
It's our Zoom holiday night, so we are getting set up.
Don't we look fancy?
You have to highlight my hair, by the way.
Oh, mine too. I went to do mine.
I don't know when we're going to have time to do that.
I went to do mine, and I had the wrong
darkness.
color.
But look at how dark it is. Woo! Anyway, it's going to be, if I have energy when I get home tonight, it might be a 2-in-1 vlog. If I don't have energy when I get home, it will be a 3-in-1 vlog. But I'll tell you that Rick and Chase have not tasted jam. But Tina Wong sent some Asian weird snacks, and Chase did try some of those. So you might get a little bit of that. We have a little Manasquan downtown as we went to the dentist office for his appointment. I have some, I'm at work. What did you record today?
We did herd health, which means we gave some shots to some of the alpacas today. And then I didn't record anything.
Sorry, life is crazy busy. 'Tis the season. Okay, we're gonna log on in like 4 minutes for our Zoom. 3 minutes.
Or
Okay,
should
you
I
ready?
save this for...
So we skipped yesterday, so we're doing 17 and 18.
Okay.
We know what it is.
I made toast. Oh, we do know what it is because our friend tested yesterday.
Pear, mandarin, cinnamon spread.
Pear, mandarin, cinnamon. And it was, oh, you know, I'm going to cut our toast in half so that we can try each one. Okay. So, I love pear and, oh, juicy.
Mandy or someone said the mandarin overpowered the pear.
Maybe.
It might.
It might.
I didn't say anything about the cinnamon.
Yeah, I was going to say, the last time we had cinnamon was, I think, back at the apple spread. And I don't remember a lot of cinnamon. Oh, we got chunks in this one.
Yar.
It's another light colored one. Ready? I have high hopes. So it was super, super, super busy at the farm today.
Yeah. I can see why they said the mandarin overpowers the pear.
Well, my bite had a huge chunk of pear.
I can see why they said it, but not really.
I'm getting more pear, which I'm excited about. I like it. I'm not like blown away.
8.5.
Oh, I give it a good 8.
I'm opening 18.
I give that
Got
one an
a
8.
fox
Oh my
on
gosh,
it,
I'm so hungry.
running
Guys.
at a penguin. Kind of looks drunk.
The boxes are so cute. Oh, look. It's a nutcracker pulling the sled of jam.
Red top.
Do you guys freak out about us chewing and talking at the same time? Ooh, a dark one. Cherries?
Cherry, pine, peppercorn?
Pine?
Pines?
Pink. Cherry pink peppercorn. All right, so peppercorns are like in a pepper grinder.
I'm gonna need to try about that.
I'm a little excited because I do like a good like savory Christmassy jam. I think Rick's gonna like that it's more of like a Christmassy. I'm gonna go rinse our
I'm
knife.
getting shrimp.
Nope, cross contamination.
I'm getting shrimp.
Okay. Cherry and pink peppercorns. Do we think it's gonna be heavy on the peppercorns or heavy on the cherry? I know, I want more. You want more?
I'm gonna spread it.
You want to spread it? Okay. So nice dark. I like the color. No smell. There's like no smell on any of them. I think we need to make another batch of biscuits. Maybe on Monday I'll have time to make biscuits. They're very quick to make. Oh, Wade's getting in on it too. He's getting a cracker. It's totally gonna fall on the counter. Put it over the plate. Thank you. All right. Cheers. That's good.
I'm tasting more cracker.
Cherry.
I think it's because they're stale.
It's a nice cherry.
Yeah.
It's good. I like it. There is something almost spicy about it, which would I guess would be the peppercorns, but I'm not tasting like cracked pepper.
What's the oh, is there?
Another 8. I like it.
I'm gonna try it again. Like, I taste
Grant likes it because he's licking it out of the jar.
I was tasting
What do you give it?
9.3.
Oh, I'll give them. Oh, they're both good. I like the cherry one better. Oh, he loves it. He's literally eating it all. Yeah, good stuff.
I'd say
I'm so excited. We're getting ready. I gotta do something for dinner real quick, and then we're zooming tonight. So maybe I saw you on there, maybe I didn't, because I think this is gonna come out after Zoom. That was a winner. Okay.
I'm gonna eat the pear.
Bye, guys.
Why not?